What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. Don't mind that car. So I didn't get this on film, but I did install. Do you mind? Hey man, do you mind? Anyways, back to the car that you guys are interested in. So I did install the A-spec kit on this car. I bought it on DC5 Association. This is the rear one. Got a lot of gap, needs fixing. So I did buy the kit brand new. However, when I drove the car to work, I was so used to driving my truck that I actually smacked the divider between the parking spaces, and that's the aftermath. Poor girl. So sad. It's fiberglass, so it just completely cracked right here. I did buy a kit to fix this, so before I paint it, I am gonna repair it, so it's gonna look, hopefully it looks pretty much brand new. Yes. All right, so we do have all the parts to paint. Here's a reducer. Here's
base coat.
Is this the base coat? This is the paint, the actual base coat, the color.
This is the clear coat.
This yeah, you said it, clear coat.
Hardener.
What is this, hardener?
Hardener for the clear.
Hardener for the clear coat.
Mixing sticks.
Mixing sticks, miscellaneous stuff. This is like funnels with the filter on it.
Filters for the paint.
Yeah. Get you some gloves.
Gloves.
Got some fiberglass repair kit. Get you a mask. You don't want to breathe this stuff in. It's pretty nasty. Sander. It's obviously sanded. And that's pretty much it. And we're gonna put it on a stand. Obviously, we don't want to paint it on the floor. We got a fan to air it out. Tarp. Hopefully we get this baby looking clean. Alright, so we're doing this in our garage, in my friend's garage actually. Shout out to him for letting me use his garage. Thanks, Bunzy. And we are by no means professionals, so please don't flame me in the comments. We're just gonna do the best with what we got. Just gonna have fun, you know, this is a project. This car is a project. I'm not gonna get too serious with it if something happens, so just have fun. So this is the paint gun setup. Just got the pressure gauge right here. Bunzy knows all about that stuff. You could look it up. Got the gun, cup, stand. You know, it is a little project because he painted his own car, so he does have a lot of the materials already. Obviously, air compressor. You can't do this without an air compressor. Just caught this floating balloon. You want it? Oh, no. Ooh. Man, I just really love this body kit. I like how the wheel setup looks, all mean and aggressive. Check out those LCAs, boy. So guys, let me know if you want to see content of other stuff. We got the Miata, we got the Supra, we got the Malibu Classic. Damn.
Why can I take it off?
Is it the right size, bro? Real mechanic work here.
Only real mechanics around here, man.
While they're working on that, I'm gonna take off the spoiler. Yo, I just took off the wing. Look at that. The car looks so naked. Looks kind of good. Nah, I like the wing.
We're gonna put it up here and then we're gonna sand this side.
Yeah, because like it forms a bump, so if we paint over it, it's just gonna, you gotta see it.
So it's barely being held on by that little tiny piece, huh?
Hey, Squatro.
Damn. That's some tough news, Doc. Got the wing perched right here, situated nice. Damn, this is gonna look so clean with the paint on it. I did get a color match, so let's see how good it's gonna look. Getting it clean, you know, it's gotta be clean so the paint attaches to it. It's already primered. Just gonna spray it on just like that. Send it. Let me see. feel like Bane. I'm gonna beat the Batman, bro. Woo! This mask got me sounding like Bane. A little hard to breathe in here, but that's cool. Yeah. It's pretty much all the paint just that used, man. Damn.
Yeah, you need more. Just to make sure it actually comes out good.
Yeah, man, that's taking shape. So a little bit of black shading. Just that little imperfection. It's alright. Can I end up looking like that? Peekaboo! So guys, this is after 2 coats of paint. Not even super heavy coats either, just like medium coats, I'd say. It's already taking shape. You can still see some darkness, but still needs at least another coat or 2. Show you guys after the next coat. I just gotta move my car and he takes it for a joyride. This fool thinks he's cool.
Meanwhile,
You missed! I would have made it! Straight missed! Damn. Man, if I would have known he was recording, I would have been doing buckets. Running it up.
And the bunch
Michael Bun Jordan.
Oh,
You made it. Let me see.
got that miss on tape.
I got that mess on tape, man.
Yo, we got you a 4K miss.
That ain't me. Hey, that ain't me. I'm out here trying to play people and I gotta remember we're supposed to be.
Yeah, we're supposed to be painting, man. Let's get serious.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Come on,
Break
guys.
time's over.
Break time's over. Wrap it up.
15 minutes.
We got 15 minutes to finish this job. Customers waiting. I mean, I'm waiting.
That's for sure.
So check it out, guys. It went from looking like this to looking like this. Color match and everything. This is just base coat for now. Which is gonna. All it needs now is the brain fart clear coat. Thanks, Bunzy. Looks so nice in the light. Man, look at that shine. It's not even cleared yet.
My leg.
I made all those shots off camera, bro.
Damn.
Hey, just for the record, I made like 3 shots.